Hello everyone. Today I will share with you what I call Qigong for the hands. Qigong is to cultivate energy. So we're going to do a simple set of exercises to remove energy blockages from the hands and promote energy flow through the meridians and energy points that run through our hands to have them be a little bit more alive, and we can use it for self-healing as well. So we're going to start by activating the energy of the hands, and for that we rub them a little bit, do little circles, and we clap and rub them a little bit more. Perfect. And so we have a main energy center on our hands called Qigong, and we're going to press it with the tip of the thumb, which is our strongest finger energetically, in this semicircles fashion, and activate the center of our palms. And then we do the other hand as well. And then we're going to run our fingers from the knuckle to the tip of the opposite finger, like that, taking the blood into the fingertip. And we can do this about 7 times each finger. The fingers and the hands in general might get a little red. That's normal. It's the result of qi and blood moving. And then you rub them again. Movement generates movement. And then we're going to grab the finger at the very base and start doing twisting motions as we pull out to the fingertip, pressing to the sides of the fingertips, sides of the nail, where the acupuncture points, beginning and end of the meridians are. And then we do the other hand. If some of you work with your hands a lot, they feel stiff, you might feel some achiness. But this is good, it'll help you feel better. And one more time, you move them, you rub them, you shake them, and your hands are good to go.